Today, students, we are doing lesson 15 from the English Balbharati textbook for Standard 5, Bird Bath. In this poem, the little birds are teaching us to catch little moments of happiness as we continue doing our work throughout the day. So come along then. Let's read, understand, and enjoy this poem. As I recite the poem, students, I want you all to listen to it very attentively. Bird Bath by Evelyn Sten. In our garden, we have made such a pretty little pool, lined with pebbles, neatly laid, filled with water, clean and cool. When the sun shines warm and high, robins cluster round its brink. Never one comes flying by, but will flutter down to drink. Then they splash and splash and splash, splattering little showers bright all around, till off they flash, singing sweetly their delight. Now, students, I shall read to you each stanza and then explain to you. Bird bath. We've often seen little birds taking, dip in the pools or puddles of water and enjoying themselves. And as children, even you love to splash water, maybe in the rivers, in the lakes, or maybe even in the swimming pool, especially in a warm summer afternoon, isn't it? So let's read the first stanza. In our garden, we have made such a pretty little pool lined with pebbles neatly laid, filled with water clean and cool. So here the poetess Evelyn is telling us that in their garden, what have they done? They have made such a pretty little pool. So they've made a little pretty pool, and how they have made it? What they did is they collected little pebbles. What are pebbles? Small stones. They are rounded stones. Especially we get these stones near water bodies like rivers and lakes. So they have collected all these pebbles and lined them means they have laid them in a line and neatly laid. Neatly means they have done it, arranged it in a very neat and very beautiful manner. Pretty little pool they have made it. And then what they did is they filled it with clean and cool water. So if you follow the picture over here, we can see these are the small stones where they all lined it up. Okay, arranged it, laid it in rows of it. Lining is putting them in rows. Okay, and then they put clean, clear water. And what happened is when the sun shines warm and high, robins cluster round its brink. Never one comes flying by, but will flutter down to drink. Now, the poetess is telling us that since they have made this pool, what happens is when the sun is shining warm and high. Okay, high. When is the sun high? Right in the afternoon, isn't it? When it is the midday. So, at that time, it is warm. So when the sun is shining in the afternoons, it is warm, and at that time, all the robins. Who are the robins? Robins are the little birds. Okay, so these birds, robins, cluster round. Cluster means to gather, to collect around, round its brink. What is a brink? The edge of the pool is called a brink. So they collect around its brink, and we see that never one comes flying by but will flutter down to drink. So it is so excited. When you all as children also see water, you'll get so excited that you run towards it. In the same way, they're just not coming flying by, but they're fluttering. They are in such a hurry to take a dip into the pool. See, follow the picture, isn't it? They're telling, it's showing so well that these birds are coming rushing down to take a dip in the pool. And then what happens? Then they splash and splash and splash, spluttering little showers bright, all around till off they flash, singing sweetly their delight. So here the poetess is telling us that these birds are so happy happy to take a dip in the water that they are splashing away the water, and they are splashing and splashing and splashing. So even you love to splash water, isn't it? So they are splashing it so much that all this water is spluttering. Spluttering means going flying off. Okay, like showers bright. Showers means the rain showers. We can imagine how when the rain falls, we also get excited to take a, get wet in the rain, isn't it? So they are bright. Why are the showers bright? Because it is the afternoon time, and in the rays of the sun, these showers, these little drops of water are shining. So therefore, the poetess is telling us that all this water that they are splashing, it's spluttering, and it is forming little showers, brightly lit showers all around. So this water is splattering everywhere around the pool. And what happens later is till off they flash. Flash means to just disappear in a moment, in a split of a moment, they go flying off. But are they going quietly or silently? No, they are singing sweetly with their delight. Delight is they're showing their happiness while they're singing. So this tells us that the birds are very happy to take a dip in the pool. So, wasn't this a lovely little bright and happy poem? So, when we read this poem, also, we feel so nice, so happy, and we also are feeling as if we are taking a dip in the pool. Isn't it, children? Do solve the exercise given to you at the end of this poem. And for the written summary of this poem, as well as to check all your answers, you can visit our website at www.jkacademypro.com. You'll get the link in the description box below. Do remember to like, share, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sure you may also enjoy the following videos. You'll get the link in the description box below.